So guys, happy Easter Sunday and happy Sunday to you all. Yeah, I'm wishing you all wonderful Easter holiday. So today we are going on a jalan to KLCC Aquarium. Yeah, first of all, we're gonna buy our ticket from Sadang Raya Selatan to KLCC. Yeah, so follow me for today wonderful vlog to go see how KLCC Aquarium looks like. Yes, first time for me taking my son to KLCC City Center. Since last year he came to Malaysia, I've been busy walking. So today I said, okay, let me just give him this wonderful treat in courtesy of one of my friends that paid for this wonderful treat for David. Yes. So we are at the train station waiting for the next train. It's arriving around in the next 6 minutes. So before then, please rate my look. How do I look? Our train is here. Why? Go sit there. Yeah, so guys, we are here in the city center. Yes.
The tower is even short.
We just came out from KLCC train station. We are confused. We don't know how to locate KLCC Twin Tower. Yeah, but luckily for us, it's over there. Let me show you guys. Okay, it's ready face. Look at KLCC over there. So we're gonna take a walk straight to KLCC. Yes, we are at the city center, Kuala Lumpur. David, let's go. Go do exercise today. What is Jesus Christ of Nazareth? Let's tour around to beautiful Kuala Lumpur. Now, so Australian people they do. Have you?
That tower set is short. I'm not even sure that it's going to be a tower.
Which one?
The KLCC.
It's short. You and that who top us?
Is it not this one?
Yes, that one.
That have long head.
So it's short.
It's short though.
So no. See, we are at the back. We are at the back at. Sorry, make I not bite my mouth too. We are at the back of KLCC. You see the fountain water? Yeah. So this is the back of KLCC, but I think we'll be passing through the other side to enter inside KLCC.
We're not allowed to get inside the water.
Pardon?
We're not allowed to get inside the water.
No, cannot.
Just for it.
Today is Sunday and everywhere is lively. People are outside. Yeah. Let's go. Say hello.
15.
This boy is a very lazy boy. Oh. He's already complaining that he's tired. Imagine. Let's go. So let's look for where we can there we are living. Look at that beautiful park over there. Stay off the road. Wow. Look at that beautiful park. David, can we go and check? Can we go? We just go make small video and come back. Be up on yourself. From there we go like this. What is wrong with you? Next time I will not take you out. Oh. Huh? The Nigerian boy is still in you. Which shark? You will be disappointed. There's no shark.
Like animals. I didn't come here to see this thing.
Everything follow. Huh? Why are you behaving like this? Look at this beautiful park. Where you take fresh air, you see?
This is our village used to be like.
Your papa village be like this. Just imagine. Ah, look at how somebody is yawning. God. I'm so disappointed in this ball. You see? Wow, wow. So nice, so beautiful. Let me take a picture. Come, I'll take you a picture. Oh my God, see? See other tourists. This one just deform my hand there. There's no shark in there. Oh my God. Guys, look at this beautiful park. This beautiful atmosphere. This beautiful place. But this boy cannot let me do my video in peace. He wants to. Which aura? Do you have aura? He wants to see shark. No shark inside there. That's small fish.
I said fish.
Which fish?
Water animals.
Water animals. Water, yes, but don't you. Maybe you be disappointed. Just hold on first. Let me do my this. Come on, follow that back. Look at how beautiful your mom is looking. You see? Guys, look at these beautiful places. And this man would not allow me to do my stuff. No way, after here we are going, okay? See other people now.
We'll go to other places. I'll just go.
Do you know your way home? Oh yeah, let's go. Since you want to go to KLCC Aquarium. Don't worry, next time I will not go out with you. I'll just do my own. Okay, time to go. I am ending this here. Yes, the next one will be underwater sea life. Aquaria KLCC.